I'm gonna go for this first, and then I'm gonna take this off. This will just pop straight out, then there's a little pin around that, and then I'll take this off too right here. Alright, so if you look here, there's a pin down in there that pops out. I'll show you, it's a ring. Kind of barely top there. Now the rest of them are just, this is all, there used to be a screw there. This just pops off. It's just popping stuff. There we go. Same here, just pop that loose. This pops off there. There we go. And we'll disconnect that little bugger right there.